Play game. Ulit.
Ako na dapat kasi.
Ang bato lang po, hindi sobrang lakas. Sakto lang. Yan! Nadali mo. Jason. De La Rosa, no good. Nakuha ni number 13. Si number 4. 14, no good. To Baswell. To number 25. Iyon. Nakakaamoy ako ng mabilis na. Number 26, Abelia. To Abelia again. Ang ganda ng hat. Oy, hindi pwede yun. Simbo. Wait lang, sorry, last touch number 7. Dito bola.
Push.
Ramil. To Baswell. Baswell, wala. Rebound by number 13. Nagmamadali number 13. Number 13, wala. Rebound by Borja. To Baswell. Rebound by number 14.
Player ko naman sa sun eh. Hindi, gago.
Okay, 2 points for O2.
Gago, nagkaroon na ako yan. Bukas.
Arañas. To Borja. To Baswell. To Lindon. 8 seconds. Arañas, wala. Rebound by Borja, sakto. 2 points, Jason. Score 4-2.
Alam mo, missing sa po.
Abelia, 3 points. Score 4-5. Rebound by Arañas. Arañas, wala. Arañas again, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Abelia. Okay, good. Borja, 2 points. 6-5. Number 13. Okay. 6-7.
6-7. Mababa na.
Okay, labas na po.
Ilang minuto lang yan?
Basta lang 7 minutes 10 para makarami kayo. No good by Mata. Rebound by Abelia. To De La Rosa. Hoy! Nagulat ako doon. Arañas, sakto. Baswell, 2 points. 8-7. Wala pa, hindi pa nakakatawid yung isang pa eh. Good yan ang good. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. And 24 seconds. Time remaining 3 minutes 32 seconds.
Kapatid,
Okay, 2 points. 10-7. Last 3 minutes. Twelve seconds to shoot. Abelia, no good. To Borja. Borja, wala. May foul. Foul muna, foul daw, foul. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Ten seconds. Okay, foul daw, labas na. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Wala tayong first ball, ha? Buti. Jason, no good. Two minutes, 5 seconds. Rebound by number 14. One minute, 40 seconds. Three points. Score open. 1 minute, 25 seconds. Arañas to Borja. Uy! Baliktad na ikot yun ah. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Takpo po. 55 seconds. To Basuel. Rebound by number 13. Last 45 seconds. 2 points by number 13, 10-12. Last 35 seconds. Two points, Lindon. All 12, last 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 7.4 seconds. Two seconds. And change score. Score 12-14. Lamang ang dalawang team. De La Rosa. 14-12. Bibigay sa inyo. Hindi ko masyadong titingin eh, basta may magpaparaya sa inyo.
Wala sa amin paparaya. Kung hindi mo inagaw, di sana nakakuha ka. May pera ka,
Okay, game. Dito bola ha, bola nyo.
sana di ba tayo?
Gusto mo ba makalis? Palalaro sa coaching sa inyo. Coaching. Oo, papahingin mo na kita.
Wow! Di ba apat to, nakakista ko.
Oo, hindi na. Kaya sinabi ko nga kung gusto mo makapit. Ibig sabihin kayo sa 140, bigay mo.
Isa namin. Isa sa amin.
Hindi pwede.
Bakit?
Ay, hindi, mamaya. Sige, game. Kala ko hindi dadating. Hindi pa siya nag-save. Okay, no good. Okay, 2 points. All 14. Abelia. To number 7. Okay. Good daw, good. Borja. Sako. Arañas, 2 points. 14-16. Abelia. Abelia, 2 points. Ang ganda ng loading. All 16. To Araña. To Borja. Okay. Out of bounds. Wala pa. Sige. Okay, game. Okay, dito bola, last touch number 30. Umalaw yung bola pa ganun eh. Okay, no good. All 16 pa rin, 5 minutes 11 seconds. Hanggang alas 9 to. Target natin, maka-apat lahat. Oy, wala. Nagmamadali De La Rosa, wala. Rebound by Jason to Borja. Oy, lumusot. Lumusot sa dalawang binte. Time remaining 4 minutes 43 seconds. Okay, no good. Yun lang. Abelia, wala. Rebound by Baswell. To Lindon. To Jason. No good. Rebound by Abelia. Okay, foul. No good. Two points, Lindon. 16-18.
Push, push.
Nice block. Same ball. Pasa pa na yun. Okay, 2 points more ha. 16-20. Two minutes, 45 seconds. Okay, wala ha. Abelia, wala. Okay, rebound by Abelia. 2 minutes 10 seconds. To number 13. 2 points, number 13. 18-20. Counted. 18-22. De La Rosa, hindi pala. 20-22. All 22. 1 minute 35 seconds. Twenty 24. Ay, 22 pala. All 24. 1 minute 13 seconds. 1 minute 4 seconds. Last 1 minute. 12 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Arañas no good. Last 45 seconds. Rebound by Arañas. Last 40 seconds. Lindon no good. Rebound by number 13. Last 30 seconds. All 24. 27 seconds. 14 to shoot. Last 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, foul. 2 free throws. Sayang. Okay, 2 free throws sa both teams. May dalawang pang timeout ha.
Ta-timeout po ba kayo pag nakashoot?
First shot, no good. Last shot.
Okay.
Okay, 24-25 timeout. Team Army. 6.8 seconds ha.
$6.8. Isa lang.
Paalala ko, hindi ko natanggap ng intentional na pasabi. Coaching, after neto, doon ka makakalaro. Yung susunod neto ah. Okay, game.
Hindi po yung bayan niya. Hindi po yung bayan. Depende lang sa...
Okay, game ha. 6.8 seconds. $6.8 ha. 5 seconds. May foul ba? Okay.
Sabihan kita pagpasok. Kasi pinagsunod kitang dalawa.
Okay, game. Jan Team CN versus Team Ace.